In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on your existing Wix website. If you're looking to capture leads, promote a product, or perhaps deliver a targeted message to your audience, a well-crafted landing page can be incredibly effective. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can create a stunning landing page with ease. First, you'll start by heading over to your Wix dashboard, which is the control center for all the wonderful things you can do with your website. Once you're there, look towards the top navigation menu and click on the option labeled Site. This will bring up a variety of options related to your current website setup. Next, direct your attention to the side panel and find Pages and Sections. Clicking on this will show you a complete list of all the pages you currently have on your site. This section is the backbone of your website structure, allowing you to manage existing pages or add new ones, like the landing page we're about to create. Once you're in the Pages and Sections area, you will see a button labeled Add Page. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you start the journey of bringing your new landing page to life. You'll be presented with several options, each designed to fulfill different purposes. Here, you want to find the option titled Landing Page. It's usually one of the options that Wix provides as a template, making it simple and efficient to create something that looks professional right from the start. Now, take a moment to browse through the selections of landing page templates. You'll find a range of styles and designs to choose from, so select one that aligns with your campaign goals and brand aesthetics. Some might be more focused on capturing email addresses, while others may highlight a product or event. Remember, the key to picking the right template is to consider what action you want your visitors to take once they visit this page. After selecting your preferred design, Wix will automatically integrate this new landing page into your existing site. It will be ready for you to customize with your images, text, and branding elements. Take your time to personalize it so it resonates with your audience and serves your intended purpose. Be sure to utilize the intuitive drag-and-drop editor that Wix offers, which makes tweaking your landing page straightforward and even fun. As you get to the final stages of customization, preview your page to ensure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with the design and functionality, don't forget to hit Publish to make your landing page live. This final step sets the stage for you to start driving traffic and achieving your objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new landing page on your Wix site. I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your website's performance.